In this video, I will show you how to make CapCut title preset and how to use it. So after you open the CapCut like this now, go to text, import your text to the timeline. So now I'll make this text as a title for my all videos. So just I'll select the text, go to this option and write your title you want to use it. So let's say here it is now. The next thing to do, go to this effect and add some editing to the text. So I want to add some little editing like this one. So I want to use it like this on my all videos. So the next thing, how to create the preset. Just right click on the text. After you right click on the text, go to save preset. So now I save this text as a preset for me. So if I want to know where CapCut save my preset, go to media and then go to yours and then go to my preset, then scroll to down. So here you'll be able to see the preset you created. So now if you want to use it on your next project, just go to the same location and import it to your timeline. Right click on the text and then go to this undo compound clip. So by doing undo compound clip, now click on the text like this and then go to text basic. So here you'll be able now to edit the title for your current video, and that's it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.